Hey everyone! In this video, I will be showing you what are the best ways to use the upload feature in ChatGPT. So this ChatGPT's upload feature is also available for the free users also, but the catch over here is that free users only get limited access to file uploads, whereas the paid users get an extended access to this feature. So let's get started. So we can upload a different variety of files. It can be PDF, text file, images, even programming files. So first let me go with a normal PDF. So I'll just go here, upload, and here I'm having a PDF. So I'll just select this and open it. So this is the content present in the PDF, just some timeline or history of the civilization. So I will just ask this question. I'm just going here and pasting it. Give me the timeline. So this will basically read the data that is present in the PDF and then will answer our question. So 1492, 1607, 1644, and here it is, exact same days. So it literally gathers the data and answers our question. So in case if you are having a lot of pages in your PDF, highly recommended to use this feature. So the next use case is going to be with the images. For example, in case if you have any doubts from a particular image, so here I'm having a image of 4 cats. So if you want to know anything from a particular image, I'm just going to ask a random question like how many cats are in this image. So there are actually 4 cats. Yeah, it has spot on. And in case if you're having any problem like a mathematical problem, you want to solve that, you can just screenshot that problem and upload it and ask ChatGPT to solve it. And another cool feature is you can just upload an image and you can ask, can you give me the anime version of this image? Yeah, here it has given me the anime version of this image. That looks so relevant to that image, so similar. That's amazing. In case if you want to get a different style of your existing image, it can do that. And by the way, I'm using the plus subscription of ChatGPT. And next, let me show you some of the examples that can be done with Excel or CSV files. So I'll just go upload, and here I'm having a CSV file like this. These are the contents present in my CSV file. So you can also ask any questions from it. So I'm just going to ask the sum of all the marks. So I'll just go here, give me sum of all the marks. Yeah, it has given me the answer as 340, and if we click this analysis, we'll be getting the Python formula that it has used to find the sum. So you can just go through it. And another amazing feature is in case we are having a data, okay, this looks so boring to be honest, columns with the headings. What if we wanted to convert this to amazing visualization? And ChatGPT can also do that. So I'll just go here, upload the same Excel, and I'm going to ask, give me some amazing charts and graphs to make this data more interesting, and I'll just run. And we have got the output graphs. So it has literally given me a pie chart, percentage contribution of marks by each student, and the names are literally from the Excel or the CSV file. You can see, right, Jimmy, John, Dave, all the names are here, and this is a graph, the student's name and their marks. So I have just used a dummy data. If you're having much more valuable or meaningful data, this comes in super handy. And if you want to download it, just download the chart. You can expand and view the chart also. And they have also other features, like they have this switch to interactive chart, and we can even change the color. And we have this switch to interactive chart. So if you click this is amazing. This literally is like a different graph. And yeah, same thing applies for this pie chart too. We are getting like a different interactive chart and distribution of marks also. So this is literally amazing. Within a matter of few seconds, you can convert your boring CSV data into something much more representable. So that's amazing. And final thing is for the programmers. Imagine you are having an image of this login screen. This can be in anything like an app or a website. What if you want to get this into any code. So for that you can also use the upload feature. Just upload the screenshot and you're just going to ask, give me, in my case I'm going with HTML and CSS code. So this will basically give the HTML and CSS code for the screenshot that you sent. And after that you can just copy it and run it on your system. So we have got the code over here, the HTML code, and we also got the styles. We can just copy this and run it. And apart from this, you can even upload your text document or PDF, ask it to summarize and ask other questions. And these are some of the features that I found really useful. If you know any other features, you can just let me know in the comments. And I hope you have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.